So you're not a lawyer. I'm not asking you to be one. Help us understand why the administration is making the moves with either the Alien Enemies Act or how they're deciding to view the disposition of people that you find the way you are, as opposed to how it was done by previous administrations, because we didn't see all the legal dust-ups with previous administrations.
Well, look, first of all, you got to admit, within the first 7 weeks of this administration, we had the most secure border in the history of this nation. President Trump was able to achieve something Joe Biden couldn't or wouldn't do in 4 years. Today, as you and I talk, we have the most secure border in the history of this nation, based on real data. Now, as far as removals, President Trump has promised, and I've been out there, and you and I have talked about this before, we are prioritizing public safety threats and national security threats. And we're using every tool in the toolbox in a legal fashion to remove them from this country just as quick as we can. Because they're public safety threats, they're national security threats. They don't belong here. They need to go. And that's what we're doing.
What's wrong with doing it without the Alien and Enemies Act? I mean, you've been doing this job, you know, for a long time and doing it at a high level. You didn't have to do these types of legal maneuvers before. Why now?
Because we're going to use every tool in the toolbox. The Alien Enemies Act was an act created by Congress, enacted by Congress, signed by presidents in statute. And the president can use every tool he's got to use that. The president simply invoked the authorities he has through the Alien Enemies Act, again, created by Congress. We're not making this up, to remove people as quickly as you can. Chris, you got to understand, 10.5 million people came to the country illegally under Joe Biden. Millions were released in the United States. They knew exactly what they were doing. Overwhelm the system. So it's going to take 5, 7, maybe 9 years if you go through the appeal process to get a final order from the judge. And so while that all plays out, right, because they're hoping that, well, if we push it out 7, 9 years, maybe we'll have a Democratic administration, then they can award amnesty to millions of people. We are trying to take as quick action as we can, but the president's committed on public safety threats, national security. That's what we're doing. Now, I heard your monologue saying that, well, we're not getting the numbers that President Trump promised, but, you know, we're not there yet because we're doing the right thing. We got limited resources. So who do you go for first? You go to the ones who are dangerous to the public and to the nation. So that's a smart way to do things. But that aperture is going to open up. When we move beyond the criminals and national security threats, now we got hundreds of thousands of illegal aliens who had due process in front of an immigration judge, were ordered removed, and simply didn't leave. We got to execute those orders, get them out. If we don't, we send a message to the whole world: enter the country illegally, even though it's a crime. Either show up in court, don't show up in court. But if you get an order removal, ignore it. We're not going to take action on it. You're never going to fix the border problem.
Tom, I'm with you. I also said in that monologue that this is a signature achievement. It's what people voted for, and it was delivered on, and in record fashion. So, you know, I'm not here to gratuitously want you guys to fail. That's just not the case. However, I would argue that you are sending the message you don't want to send, which is the law doesn't matter. If you're told that you have to be deported, you have to leave, just ignore it, because you're ignoring orders when you're told you can't deport this person, and then you're deporting them anyway. Now you have a second one that you got to bring back. Why ignore the orders? Go ahead.
No one's ignoring the order.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.